Right, I hope everyone's doing alright. Things seem to be becoming a bit more normal for the world, I suppose. Thought I'd just do a little update video so everyone kind of knew, you know, the kind of stuff was going on for me, I suppose. So obviously most people know that that our dad passed away in April. Since then, me, younger brother Jim, we've carried the business on. So obviously that takes a bit of time in doing things, you know, at night, ringing people, in the day, you know, doing the jobs and that. Normally do like tree cutting, hedge cutting, kind of stuff like that. Most kind of outdoorsy types of things, do a bit of fencing and that. But that's why I suppose, you know, the videos have slowed down a little bit, because I kind of get home and you just got to do all these other things you didn't realise you know would go with a job. So that's partly that reason. I've got loads of ideas, you know, but it's just nowadays it's just trying to get the time. But I'm going to at the very least, do one video a week regardless. If I can do more, I always will. So all this kind of coronavirus stuff, that's becoming a bit more normal for people. People can go out now and do things. That didn't really affect us much anyway, working in gardens, because you don't need to see anyone or be near anybody anyway. But so trying to think of any other things I've done lately. So I've got I'm going to do a video about this metal rat trap. So I wanted to get one of these for ages, but I just wasn't sure whether it was worth the money. And now I've got one, I'm going to do a video about it, because they look way better than I thought they was going to be. A couple of other things I've done, not really related to anything to do with trapping, just something I wanted to try, see if I could have made a couple of pen knives. You see that? One is obviously better than the other. This was the first one I made, and I made this one after. So this one is just, you know, basically 2 blocks of wood with a penknife blade. It's got a little pin, you can't really see it just there, as well as the bolt. I did a bolt so you could tighten it up if it became loose. So that's that one. And then this one, come up with a much better idea, made it thicker. It's got a bit of aluminium, which you might think is some sort of you know, back spring, but it's not. It was just, I needed to put either a block of wood in here to fill the gap, or, well, if I put a block of wood in, I would have needed to put a pin there. So I thought if I just use a bit of aluminium, that would work as the pin as well. So as you can see here, the back of the blade goes against it there. That's what I got. Nice little non-lock-in penknife handle. Yeah, so that's one thing, you know, I had to go up making. Didn't do a video of it because I want to keep the channel a bit more kind of trapping orientated. I could have done, but I don't like deviating now. I like to keep it to the same, because I think back before that was kind of ruining my channel a bit. I'll do one thing and then swap it to something different, then another thing. I think you've got to stick to the same thing. Anyway, like I said, yeah, just a little quick update video. If people wondered why things were slowing down a bit, it's just purely that. It's just, you know, working, and now we've took over a business. Time is a little bit harder to do things, but my main thing, what I love doing, is YouTube videos. Out of anything, I love doing them. So I'm going to keep doing them regardless. Like I said, at least one a week, maybe more if I can. So yeah, just a quick update video. I hope you're all doing alright and everything's, you know, nothing bad's happened to you, whatever, or family or whatever, you know. Right, anyway, next video will probably be about this rat trap. Right, cheers for watching, I'll see you later.